thing.
And since we don't have anything else, we're gonna put our parts up there.
So if you got a cat in the shop, you might want to grab a bucket or something.
Or small children. And screw number 2. That goes up there, and just because I can, I'm gonna put that back on there. And your tool plate slides out. And right there you have a blade. Now over here on this side, you'll see this little lever that will lock, so that doesn't move.
The lever's right there. This little dealer here.
Now you have to take out all these screws right here.
You know, it's hard work standing here watching you work.
Somebody.
We unionized. 4 people standing around talking about what needs to be done, and 1 person doing
This ain't no damn union job. We ain't got none of them OSHA folks around here neither, because I don't listen to their ass. Some bitches want to come out and tell you how to do your job, and they don't know a damn thing about what you're doing. We don't need to know how you do your job. We just need to tell you how to do it.
They read it in a manual.
Yeah, right. Heard that before too.
We ain't talking about parole.
Same damn thing. Government job.
Well, Dad, you just don't understand. You need to be more understanding.
Right now, I think parole is about the same as a plague of locusts in Egypt.
There's probably a fair number of people that would agree with you on that.
Now then, folks, due to the YouTube we watched, there's a little spring-loaded wire on here. And the purpose of that is it actually, the ends of the wire actually set on top of this blade to put pressure on it.
And you done lost the blade down in the dang thing. Now it fell out on the tray.
It's out.
The other way, Dad.
The other up.
Yeah, the other up.
On the other up.
Oh, well, you're the one who pitched the blade out on the deck.
Well, it's out. That was the purpose of the operation. I was successful.
There you have it, folks. 1 blade out.
What I don't know is why this is here and what it is.
What?
Whatever this bump is right there.
I don't know.
I don't know either, but
you cut your fingers off, you're gonna be live at 5.
no, you don't have to be the one to tell Mama. You had to call the trauma llamas.
I'm just gonna take you to the 71 quack and take you home.
No, I'm not going to. No quacks allowed.
You cut your fingers off, you got to go to a quack.
No, I don't.
Because you
Put
on
some
the
duct
blood
tape
thinners.
on it. It'll be just fine.
Nah, you on the blood thinners. You're going to bleed out. So
It'll be all right. I'll be in heaven with Jesus and leave you here with the mama person.
you're out your rabbit ass mind too. You can't be fluffing the beard with the air compressor.
What?
You can't be fluffing the beard with the air compressor. don't touch your finger already.
I done already did.
Mama human gonna yell at you.
And what's different today from any other day?
She has to go to work and come out and yell at you. This text message.
We got a rag or a paper towel or something, Dad's to
Probably over yonder.
wipe things down with.
Unless I left a paper towel right here on the old microwave. Anyways, what Dad didn't say is you can see you don't want your thing, so that's why you want to make sure this is locked. And